Welcome to our very first episode of Randy and Reed Build It Better, where we take our ideas and turn them into reality. Today's episode is all about monster trucks. Get your butt over here. All right. So I'm Randy, this is my son Reed. He's only a year and a half old. So he went to a birthday party not too long ago, and he got these as a prize. So before we start building them, I think we need to do a little research first.
Hey, monster trucks!
Oh, I ran into a pole. Alright, we are back from Monster Jam. We had a good time, didn't we? Yeah. Alright, we're going to start building our little toy trucks here. So you know, none of this is rehearsed, we're just going to do it and see how it goes. Look at that cool box. We can keep that for later. Something like that. Here's all the parts. Okay, there's all my stuff, there's all your stuff. That's a knife where you shouldn't be playing with that. That's garbage. Alright, see your truck? Grab your truck. Where's your truck? Right here. We're just going to take this. I think we're going to... Well, these holes ain't drilled very straight. See this? I'm going to put it through there. Like that. And then we got to put on a tire. You're going to put some glue in the tire, I think. See this? We'll let you make a mess. Take this and squirt a little in that hole right there. Yeah, good job. Squeeze it. Put this one in here. There it is. Here's your tires. There's one. Put it on the tire. Alright, starting to look more like a truck now, look at that. Boom. So here's our stickers. Shoes you can put on. Oh, there you go, you got two tires. See, he's got two tires on one wheel, so that's awesome. Alright, we'll call that good. So you ready to start painting and make a big mess? keep painting painting, just keep painting. Yeah, good job. He's kind of slow. Yeah, I'm talking about you. All right, Reed. I think we're done with our little trucks. What do you think? Kind of boring? What do you think we could do to spice this up a little bit? I think I got an idea. Hey, Reed. What do you think about, oh, say, this here? Think that might help? How about one for you and one for me? No? You don't want these? Alright. Here we go. Yeah? So apparently Reed wants to play with fireworks after all. Don't you? Oh, yeah. Alright. Reed went through all his rockets and we decided on this would be the best rocket power. This is actually the smallest one we had. These are kind of small trucks. So we'll start with these, huh? But I don't think we need this big long stem. We just want the rocket power. So let's see what we got here. Something to cut those off with. How about this? We'll just cut a little stick off. We don't need that. This yours. There we go. We don't need that. Now we just need to strap it on the roof. Hey, what's this? You pull this out too? How about we do that at the end? Or should we do it right now? I bet this will scare you a little bit. See, watch it. Watch this. Take this string. Whoa! Well, okay. Not really sure doing that. It broke it in half. Alright, maybe this is old. I don't know. Alright, we need some tape. Wrap it around like this. Maybe we'll have a little race with ours. See how fast mine goes and how fast yours goes. You hold it right like this. Hold it like this. Alright, here we go. Done with that. 2 rocket-powered monster trucks. Which one do you want? You want them both? Which one do you think is going to win? Vroom! Alright, I got them all set up, ready to go. All I gotta do is light them off. Okay. How about this? Ready, Reed? There you go, stay up there. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. It didn't go anywhere. Alright, we are back. It is day 2 of our build. First one didn't go as planned, but we learned some valuable lessons. So Reed, what did we learn from our last build? Don't light fireworks inside. That is an excellent idea. I don't think we'll do that again. Alright, what else did we learn? What does that say? We need directional stability. Yes we do. As you notice, our last trucks just kind of spun in circles, so we're going to fix that. Alright, so we're going to try this all over again. We're going to do build number 2. We're going to make a little bigger truck, make it a little longer, make it more stable, maybe add a little more power. So we already took quite some time building these, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a 10-second build, and we're going to be right back and show you our new truck. Finished building the truck. As you can see, We had a nice long wheelbase, so it should go straight. On the back, we saw 8 rockets. And now all that's left to do is go out and see if this thing works. Okay, we're out here in the driveway. Got her all set up. All that's left to do is just light it off and see what happens. Crashed and burned. Insane. Alright, that's our show for today. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit that little subscribe button below the video, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, let's go get close. Yeah. You think you can run well? This is my cousin.